We should go next weekend. Well, we can go tomorrow.
You work.
Well, I work at 4. 3.
Don't worry about it. No te preocupes, no te preocupes.
Well, you just got a 6. What are you doing?
Cutting a screen.
Hi, Tiki! She doesn't know that she has balls yet.
Well, you haven't given it to me?
I only gave her the little ropey thing.
Did she like it?
I think she smells the balls.
Did you give her both toys? Or...
No, just the rope thing.
Oh, no.
What'd you get?
A Dremel Multi-Max 750.
Oh my god, you're so stupid. What'd you say right now before I hit record?
My first tool for the home. For baseboards, for that stuff.
You're like, what's this? I want to show you guys what we ended up getting. We got 4 white rocks. And then we ended up getting, this one is the California Reaper. And then succulents right here. So the idea is to tear down these branches or bushes. If you guys remember, they were bushes when we got here. You could barely walk here. As you could see, we tore them down. So I told my husband that I wanted these 2 gone. And then put succulents all over right here with white rocks. But you could see there's already progress going. I didn't even know that we had sprinklers. I want to give you guys a quick update towards the primary room. We still haven't got the headboards for the room yet or the flooring. I still have to unpack stuff for the master bathroom, and I'm going to go ahead and tackle the master right now. I'm going to have to clean everything. We still are waiting for the flooring. Today's Saturday, so hopefully tomorrow we ended up getting. And we ended up going to Home Goods. And let me show you guys just a few things that we ended up buying. We ended up getting this for the tub, obviously for the hair. Oh look, I ended up finding a planner that was for $5.99, and I just like the print to it. And then we found this for the master bath, $49.99. We ended up getting another one for a tub because we do have 2 bathrooms here, and then a half bath downstairs. And then I bought hair dye for my gray hairs. Proceed. Just for the record, I took off all the laminate. He's just doing this part.
What's really wrong?
My ass. Is this wood on the bottom?
Yeah, it's plywood.
And you were saying that they did the laminate flooring incorrectly?
They didn't put the vapor film release that we'll be putting in tomorrow. But other than that, we should be good.
Mom, are you ready?
Oh my god. Huh? We'll go over this later on, babe.
Okay, these are home improvements. Welcome to Manny Checks Home Improvements, coming to your laptop. The staples.
Hey. What?
Yes.
So what are you saying about Chelix and all the bullshit?
Chelix Home Improvements, coming to you 2021.
So how hard was it to take off the floor, the laminate flooring?
It was really hard because it wasn't put properly. So as soon as I started doing that, coming out of a 12-hour shift from work, shipping Amazon customer orders, it was really difficult. Why? You know, I only got 2 hours of sleep every day. Work is extremely hard. And doing work at home, it's good, but it's for your own home. Break time.
Híjole.
Sponsored by you, by Bud Light.
This is so ghetto. Everyone else's video looks really nice, like home improvement shit. Ours looks like grainy and shit. You lost it.
Well, yeah, because I haven't gone to the gym.
Then why are you flexing? If you know you fucking lost it, Mr. No Neck, Low Titty Ass. This is how you know that they put the laminate flooring wrong. All this is all wet spots on the wood. They put like a carpet type of thing, like a sheet carpet thing over the wood instead of putting the plastic that goes under it, the plastic that you see downstairs. So I feel like downstairs was done correctly, and then they DIY'd everything upstairs. So if we wouldn't have lifted up the flooring, all this would have been even worse. But this is the second biggest room in the house, and just to get a point of reference, across is the master bedroom, and then the hallway's already done, and now we need the kids' rooms. I just got out of the shower, and it was long needed to be pampered. I took like an hour and a half, literally just staying in the bath, staying in the shower, shaving. Yesterday we went to Goodwill. Let me show you guys what I had found and I got. Okay, so the first thing I ended up getting is this sports bra, absolutely new from Goodwill. I ended up going to Corona. I had to pick up some of my kids' stuff, so I haven't been to this Goodwill next to the apartment we used to live in so long, because I felt like it was a very crappy Goodwill. I knew some people that used to work there used to tell me that they used to get like the good stuff for themselves. So I was really lucky to find all these good stuff. This one is from Victoria's Secret Sport. How cool is that? It's absolutely new, no stains, no rips, no tears, no bad odors or whatever. And this one was for $7.99, just the same as pants. But it's okay because it's Victoria's Secret. Also from Victoria's Secret, these are actually new as well. How pretty are these? These are silk gray and white short PJs. I'm looking for shorts just to be around the house. These are a little bit too short for me to be around my kids, but to sleep in, I think it'll be very nice and relaxing. We're also looking for a new bed as well, so we haven't came across any that we like, but this one is from Victoria's Secret, and I just thought it was super cool. I couldn't pass it up. And then I ended up getting this Reebok shirt. It's totally summer right here. We've been at the highest, I think it's like 109. It's been crazy hot here, but I liked what it said, and I felt like I think this is like some kind of sport or whatever, but I felt like this was appropriate for summer because it's been extremely hot. And the only reason why I actually ended up getting it, not because it says boobies, but also because it says Reebok at the back, and this one was for $3.99, and I believe red tag was half off, if I'm not mistaken. And then something that is absolutely new, that it still has tags, I ended up getting this EXO sports bra. This one still has the tag here somewhere, and then this one was for $4.99. I ended up getting this one because it has like the padding here, and then it's new. Again, just to be around the house, nothing too special. I also ended up getting these shorts for my daughter. They still have the tag on, and because it's summer, I just found it appropriate just to get her a few shorts, because since we are remodeling the whole floor, we haven't put up the washer and dryer upstairs, so I haven't had time to wash. So I thought that was really cute.